If you find yourself unable to access your Payhip account due to a lost or inaccessible email, there are alternative methods to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the Payhip login page. Go to the official Payhip website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option to recover your account or reset your password. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, locate and click the Forgot Password link. This will guide you to the recovery options available. Step 3. Select alternative recovery options. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity using the alternative method you selected. This may involve entering a code sent to your phone or answering security questions. Step 5. Set a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you have not used before and confirm it to complete the recovery process. After following these steps, you should be able to access your Payhip account again. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Payhip support for further assistance.